Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ Z07 in torch red on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. I'll let you have a look. So I've got the target top removed. It is color matched to the vehicle, so there it is. We do have the privacy shade in the front as well as the upper piece up here. To unhook it, you just simply pull on it and it flips open like so. There's a set of mats here that come with it if you like. And there's the netting for holding your items in place and storage down in the corner as well. So we'll lock that back in place, close the trunk lid. It does have soft close, so I simply press and it pulls itself shut. We've got the carbon flash metallic rear spoiler, stage 3 with the 2 outer winglets and the center wicker bill piece. We've got the clear Z06 taillights. We've got the carbon flash metallic badge package, and we've got the NPP performance exhaust with the quad tips. So the 2 outer ports have dampers on them that open and close electronically based on your setting to make the exhaust louder or quieter. So we'll just shift around this side here, let you have a look. So we've got nice chrome wheels on this. It's got nice Michelin tires. We've got the red Brembo calipers with the carbon ceramic brakes. Up top you've got the nice carbon flash metallic vent cover, and down below we've got the exposed carbon fiber side skirts that look great as well. So here's the door panel on the passenger side. We've got the nice red baseball stitching. You've got the 10-speaker Bose stereo. We've got power windows, power locks, and electronic door release. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And here's our power seat. So power 4, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. It's got the nice Alcantara insert, red baseball stitching, and these are the competition seats as well. And to note, we do have red seat belts. With the 3LZ, you do get the Alcantara suede that goes up and over on the back pillar here, as well as up on the A pillar as well. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. And let's have a look in here. So we've got heated and cooled seat control for the passenger. We've got temperature display, temperature control, baseball stitching on the lower as well as on the upper. We've got tint on the lower portion of the windshield there as well as on the upper portion. And we'll open this up. We've got the books, so those are all there. And again, there's the Alcantara on the A pillar. So let's hop out and we'll close this side up. And I'll just step to the back of the vehicle and I'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Stunning looking car. And here we are at the front. So we've got the carbon flash metallic vent insert with the Z06 supercharged badging there. And here's your front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels, Brembo brakes with the carbon ceramic brakes, and Michelin tires. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 650 horsepower supercharged, and that's paired to a 7-speed manual transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy under here. In the corner, we do have our dry sump oil system. We also have the wire. You get adjustable suspension electronically, and you get the rear diff cooler and transmission cooler with the Z06 as well. There's your hood liner. It's in good shape, as you can see. And we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood, have a look from the front. So on the front here, we do have the Corvette Racing logo on the hood. Looks great. We've got the carbon flash metallic vent. Nice black housing, projector headlights, HID bulbs with LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights. We've got the side large stage 3 winglets. We've got the nice exposed carbon fiber front lip. Looks great. And we've got the front cameras with the 2LT as well. And again, that nice carbon flash metallic badge package. So I'll just have a close look here at the front of the vehicle. We'll see if there's anything to point out. So there's one little minor stone chip right here, and just have a close look, see if there's anything else that I can point out. Nothing jumps out. Oh, there's one little tiny pinhead mark here and one right here. So that's what I see. I just want to share it with you to let you know they're there. We will touch them up. So there's your other front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels, red Brembo calipers, carbon ceramic brakes, and the nice Michelin tires. And we'll just have a look back here. So same thing back here. Looks great. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So again, we've got that nice red baseball stitching. We've got power windows, power locks, 10-speaker Bose stereo, 2-user memory with programmable exit button, and electronic door release. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. So a little bit of minor scuffing there up the front, but nothing major. And again, we will polish it, so we'll make it look as good as we can for you. Here's your power seat control. So you got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Again, nice competition seats with the baseball stitching and the Alcantara inserts. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. Let's get in and fire this one up. There we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 22,845, so nice and low. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. We've got rev match, so rev match on and off. Rev match on and off on this side as well. You've got the nice red baseball stitching underneath the Alcantara wrap steering wheel. We've got telephone answer and hang up and voice command on this side. You've got your arrow keys which work the dash, so when you hit them, they give you start at the top, info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. Down below are volume controls, and then on this side are favorites or track change. And inside here we do have power tilt, telescopic steering column. You've got heads up display. We've got the nice carbon fiber dash, power mirrors, dimmer switch, and then down below we've got trunk release and motion alarm on and off. On this side here we've got push button start. We've got behind screen storage with a USB port. Put that back up. Audio, so you got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB, and auxiliary in. You've got phone controls, projection, which is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, nav, so you got full factory navigation. You've got PDR, so your performance data recorder. If we go to the next screen, we've got front curve view cameras. You've got your reverse camera. And then down below we've got dual zone climate control. So this is your temperature for your driver's side. Again, you've got controls for the passenger side over there. And then we've got our heated and cooled seat control here, and our placards, Z06, 650 horse, 650 foot-pounds of torque. Here's your Alcantara wrapped 7-speed manual shifter with red baseball stitching. You've got 12-volt socket. We've got cup holder, electronic parking brake, and mode selector. When we twist the mode selector, we get sport, track, weather, eco, and back to touring. So those modes are there. And then in here we've got 2 USB ports, auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket as well. There's our frameless rear view mirror with auto dimming and auto dimming driver's side mirror. So we'll hop out now. We'll just have a look and a listen. Nice bark to it. So I'll just show you from the front with the headlights on. Oh, just turn them off. So here it is from the front with the nice projector headlights. And I'll just move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. Here it is from the back. Nice rumble. Sounds great. Love the clear taillights on the Z06. Great look with the chrome wheels, with the torch red. Just a fantastic color combo. And there you have it, folks. 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ Z07 in torch red, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.